Hey everyone, it's Forever Pretty Ali here. Here's a simple 10-minute cute tutorial for girls. These are the products that you're gonna need, and you're gonna part the hair from the middle down and then from ear to ear. Use your gummy wax to clean up the parts and make them look neat. Use the back of your comb to press down the gummy wax and give you those neat, clean parts. You're then gonna section the front half out of your way and have the back in one section. You're then gonna do a diagonal part going down to create 2 ponytails. Don't forget to use the back of your comb to smooth out the part and make it look slick. You're then gonna section one of the ponytails out of your way and clean up the part on the other ponytail. Using your gummy wax, you're gonna use your comb and brush to smooth out the section and lay the hair neatly into a ponytail. I then use 2 half-inch elastics for one ponytail. You're then gonna use the back of your comb to smooth out the ponytail section. Using your gummy wax, you're gonna repeat the same thing on the other ponytail. Be sure that your ponytail is not too tight for your little one. Your heads are very tender. You're then gonna split one ponytail into 2 and section the hair away that you're not gonna twist right now. Using your gummy wax, you're gonna add as needed as you twist all the way to the ends. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a like. Also, comment and let me know how this hairstyle came out for you. You're then gonna repeat the same thing on the other ponytail. Split into 2 sections and twist each section, adding gummy wax as needed. You're then gonna load your crochet needle with the amount of beads that you'd like to put on the ends. I used 5. You're then gonna put the crochet needle on the end of the hair, slide the beads up, pull 1 bead down to the end, slide the bit of the end up, and wrap with 1 elastic band. You're then gonna slide the beads down, and there you go. Repeat for the other sections. You can see here a little closely, I curve the end of the hair up, hold it, and then I add an elastic around the bead. Don't worry about the ends of the hair because once you slide the beads down, it'll be covered. For the top section, I parted the hair in a diagonal direction going the same way as the bottom part. This creates the zigzag look. clean up your parts just like we did in the other sections and use 2 1/2-inch elastics for your ponytails. You're then gonna split each ponytail into 2 parts and 2 twists per ponytail. Don't forget to use your gummy wax as needed to make your twists smooth. Again, we're gonna split 1 ponytail into 2 and do 2 twists. My eldest wanted to load the crochet needle, so here it is. Thanks, baby girl. These next sections are pretty repetitive and you're just doing the same thing to each section until all the hair has beads. Shout out to my little one. She's being such a good sport, holding her head. Now this is the top. We're gonna add some oil sheen and some foam. We're gonna put that foam all over the top of the hair, each section, the twists. Make sure everything is covered in foam and then you're gonna dry it. This prevents the hair from turning white and being stiff. And that is the finished product.